In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. First, start by going into the Windows search bar and typing in virus, and clicking on virus and threat protection. Under virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings and disable real-time protection. Click yes, and cloud delivered protection. Close it down. Now right click on the Windows icon, click on run, and here type in regedit and click enter. Once you're in the registry editor, we're going to expand HKey local machine, expand software, then we're going to scroll down and expand policies, then expand Microsoft, then right click on Windows Defender. Now we're going to type in disable anti-spyware you have to type it in just like I did here. Once you type that in, right click on it, click on modify, and set the value data to 1 and click on OK. After that, restart your PC and Windows Defender will be disabled permanently. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.